A very good morning to all my wonderful students. Welcome you all to a new lesson. So my dear students, we have already learned about finding the man cub. Yes, where we have learned about the qualities like kindness, helping others, right? So my dear students, always have the quality that you have with you. Okay, so always try to help people, yes, the person who are in need, and always form the habit of kindness. Got it? So my dear students, we will learn about a new lesson today. We are going to start a new lesson, and the name of the lesson is the Unhappy Crow. Okay, so what we are going to do today, we will do the reading portion. We will learn how to read a lesson, yes, and then we'll learn few new words. Got it? Okay, so my dear students, without doing further delay, let's move to today's class. Before moving to the lesson, before moving to the reading portion, let's check out what is the learning objective of today's class. Coming to the learning objectives, the students will be able to read aloud with correct pronunciation, intonation and voice modulation. The students will be able to know different new words and its meanings. Yes? So my dear students, whenever we start any new chapter, whenever we do the reading, yes, I always remind you all, I always teach you that we need to read the lesson with a very good intonation. Yes, the words which are pronounced, it should be very carefully, very properly pronounced, so that what you are trying to say, which word you are going to read, it gives the correct meaning. Yes, and modulation is very important, where you need to just raise your voice, where you need to lower down. Got it? So my dear students, please always remember that. Yes, a reading need to be very proper. It has to be well pronounced. Yes, got it? Okay, so my dear students, welcome to lesson number 11, The Unhappy Crow. By the title itself, I think you got who is unhappy here? The crow, yes. So we will learn about it more in our coming classes. But for today, what you have to do, you know the rule of reading. You need to put your index finger here, and I'll be reading. Please repeat after me. Got it? Okay, but before that, just I want to ask a small question. What makes you happy? When school will open, if it's live class, then I know many of you would have replied that, ma'am, when the school will open, it will make me happy, yeah, or it will be the most happiest time for me. Yes, so my dear students, so what you have to do, you have to write down in 1 or 2 sentences that what makes you happy. Got it? And we'll discuss that in our live class. Fine. So yes, my dear students, please turn to page number 20. I read, put your index finger, and top of that, please write down the date of today. Today's date is 1st of December 2020. So my dear students, I read, upon a time there was a crow in a forest. He was always very happy. But one day he saw a swan. This swan is so white. Why am I so black? She must be the happiest bird in the world, he thought to himself. He asked the swan, you are as white as snow. Are you the happiest bird in the world? Actually, the swan replied, I felt that I was the happiest bird around till I saw a parrot. He has 2 colors. Its red beak and green feathers look very pretty. Now I think that the parrot is the happiest bird. The crow then asked the parrot what he thought. The parrot said, I was very happy until I saw a peacock. I have only 2 colors. The peacock has so many colors. The crow then visited a peacock in the zoo. He saw many people near its cage. After the people left, the crow spoke to the peacock. Peacock, you are so beautiful. Every day, so many people come to see you. I think you are the happiest bird in the world. The peacock replied, I always thought that I was the most beautiful and the happiest bird. However, because of my beauty, I am in this cage. I long for gentle breeze of the forest. I long for the dark clouds so that I can spread my wings and dance. I want to be free. Most of the animals and birds are kept in cages by human beings, but a crow is never caged. If I were a crow, I would happily fly everywhere. These words taught the crow an important lesson. We should be happy and thankful for what we have. From then on, the crow did not compare himself with others. So the story is taken from the book, the Panchatantra story. Yes, so if you like to read more or many stories from the book, the Panchatantra, then you will get a lot from there. I always keep on saying that, my dear students, you need to form the habit of reading stories, books. Yes, it will give you more knowledge. Yes, it will help you with all the real life situations. You can compare that with your real life. Yes, so my dear students, it is a very beautiful story. Yes, so what we are going to do in our next class, we are going to learn about the story in details. But for now, what you are supposed to do, I'll be just dictating few words. Okay, if you new words, what you are supposed to do, you need to underline those new words. So the first new word is swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. Second is happiest. H-A-P-P-I-E-S-T. Happiest. Coming to the third one is cage. C-A-G-E. Cage. Fourth one, beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Coming to the fifth one, long for. L-O-N-G. Long. F-O-R. For. Yes. Then the next is gentle. G-E-N-T-L-E. Gentle. And the last one is breeze. B-R-E-E-Z-E. Breeze. Yes. Got it? So my dear students, we got the new words like swan, happiest, cage, beautiful. Yes, please underline beautiful too. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful, long for, gentle and breeze. Yes? So what you are going to do? You are going to find out the meanings of these new words. Okay, so in our next live class, I'll be asking you the meaning of these words. Got it? So my dear students, please read the lesson thoroughly. Okay, and please try to form the habit of reading books. Not only books, please try to read the newspapers too. Okay, it will give you a lot of knowledge, important informations. Got it? Okay, so my dear students, that's all for today. In our coming classes, we will be learning about the story in details, and also it will be followed up with the summarization and question answers. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.